Since its mainnet launch, PiCoin has captured significant attention within the cryptocurrency ecosystem. The PiNetwork, designed to make mining accessible via mobile devices, has transitioned from a speculative project to a tradable asset. As of March 2025, Pi has climbed into the top 15 coins on platforms like CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, surpassing established names like Hedera in market cap. This rise reflects growing community engagement and market interest, but what lies ahead for PiCoin? This article explores its current standing, potential exchange listings, U.S. crypto reserve speculation, and price predictions, all while maintaining a neutral perspective. For those tracking Web3 developments, Binance Square offers a platform to follow community sentiment and discussions about projects like PiNetwork. PiCoin in the top 15, a milestone achievement, breaking into the rankings. PiCoin's entry into the top 15 cryptocurrencies by market cap marks a significant milestone. Its mobile-first approach has attracted millions of users, contributing to a self-reported market cap exceeding $17 billion in early 2025. This ranking places Pi alongside heavyweights like Bitcoin and Ethereum, though its lack of widespread exchange listings limits its liquidity compared to peers. The Binance price page tracks Pi's live value, offering insights into its market performance as it gains traction. What drives this growth? The PiNetwork's growth stems from its unique mining model and a dedicated community. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies requiring intensive hardware, Pi allows users to mine via a smartphone app, broadening its appeal. However, its top 15 status hinges on sustained adoption and utility, factors that remain under scrutiny as the project matures. Future listings. Will Binance embrace PiCoin? The hashlist Pi on Binance Now campaign. The PiNetwork community has launched a vocal campaign on X with the hashtag #hashlistPi on Binance Now, urging Binance, one of the world's largest exchanges, to list PiCoin. Posts on X suggest strong sentiment, with some users citing a Binance community poll from February 2025, where over 85% favored a listing. While Binance has not confirmed any plans, such listings historically boost visibility and trading volume for new tokens. Explore more about Binance's listing process on the Binance blog. A Binance listing could enhance Pi's accessibility, potentially driving price volatility. New exchange listings often attract speculative trading, as seen with other coins post-launch. However, Pi's price reaction would depend on market conditions, token supply dynamics, and broader adoption, variables that remain unpredictable. U.S. crypto reserve speculation or possibility. Pi in the reserve conversation. Speculation is swirling about PiCoin's inclusion in a potential U.S. crypto reserve fund, alongside Bitcoin and Ethereum. Posts on X highlight this buzz, with some suggesting Pi's grassroots adoption, over 47 million users, aligns with the vision of a decentralized future. While Trump's crypto reserve discussions have focused on top market cap coins like BTC and ETH, Pi's rapid rise makes it a contender worth watching. Inclusion in a national reserve would require regulatory approval and proven utility, areas where Pi still faces hurdles. Its current ranking and community support are notable, but without established use cases or widespread exchange presence, this remains speculative. Price predictions for PiCoin. Analysts suggest a range of $2 to $5 by mid-2025 if adoption grows and listings expand. Check real-time updates on the Binance price page. Looking to 2030, some forecasts are bullish, with predictions reaching $10 or higher if Pi builds a robust ecosystem. Others caution that oversupply, its maximum supply is 100 billion tokens, could cap gains unless demand surges. These projections are speculative and tied to external factors like market sentiment and regulatory shifts. What's next for PiCoin? A look at rankings, listings, and predictions. Since its mainnet launch, PiCoin has captured significant attention within the cryptocurrency ecosystem. The PiNetwork, designed to make mining accessible via mobile devices, has transitioned from a speculative project to a tradable asset.